Welcome to KidloLand, an award-winning educational program for kids.
Match the shape to its name. Square. Hexagon. Trapezoid. Match the shape to its name. Oval. Pentagon. Kite. Match the shape to its name. Triangle. Circle. Rectangle. Cool! Match the shape to its name. Hexagon. Circle. Kite. Match the shape to its name. Rectangle. Oval. Triangle. Match the shape to its name. Square. Pentagon. Trapezoid. Good answer. Match the shape to its name. Square. Triangle. Hexagon. Match the shape to its name. Rectangle. Oval. Circle. Match the shape to its name. Pentagon. Trapezoid. Kite. You're a quick learner.